Hi, and welcome to Mia in a Minute. I'm Mia, the community builder for Women Doing Better and the Over 50 Sisterhood. And I'm here to help you on your next with quick 60-second tips and tricks on your favorite tech tools. Today, we're going to talk about how to find and join in on a live video. So I'm going to share my screen here with you so you can follow along. So I'm on the Women Doing Better Facebook page. So first things first, you got to make sure that you know who's going live. You're going to want to search them in your search box. So like next Wednesday, on Wednesday, Women Doing Better do a weekly live at noon. So you can go to Women Doing Better right in the search box, just like this. Once the live has started, you'll see it pop up as a little indicator here on live next to videos. Or you can just scroll down right here on the page and you'll see happening now live. And it's that simple. So you can click videos or you can use it right there on the Women Doing Better page. Once the live has started, you'll find us in those places. Don't forget to leave any questions, or if you have other topics that you want me to cover in the comments below. I'll look forward to chatting with you ladies there.